Well, good Saturday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. If you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, it's probably going to be something. I thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we had a really bad storm come through Neshoba County on Thursday of last week. I took some maybe 1 or 2 videos and a whole bunch of pictures. It was something else. It's been a while since I've seen devastation and damage. So give me a second and I'm gonna share that with y'all. All right, you and y'all. As I said, we had a really bad storm come through Neshoba County, Philadelphia, Mississippi, and Neshoba County Thursday. We actually had 1 fatality in Neshoba County due to the storm, and the city of Philadelphia suffered a lot of damage. I mean, a lot of damage. The county where I live, not really too much damage. I had a little bit of damage, but not really much to speak about. Down trees and power lines probably were the biggest issues. I lost power for about a day and a half, but no big deal. But the straight line winds that came through, and from what I understand, and just looking at some statistics, we had 75, almost 80 mile-an-hour winds that ripped through the city of Philadelphia. What I want to say is I hope everybody that was in the path of this storm is making out okay, and I hope y'all doing well. And I also want to say thank you to you and y'all that called, text, shot me emails, just wanting to know what was going on with Dan over here at the Home in the Sticks, because it was a bad storm. Spoke to Mr. CB several times. I know the storm headed his way, so brother, I hope you're doing well, and I hope everything is doing okay as far as your greenhouses and everything you planted. And again, anybody that was in the line of this storm, I wish y'all well, and I hope everything turned out okay for you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cue it up. I got some videos and some pictures, and I'm gonna share with you and y'all what took place or what transpired due to the storm that came through on Thursday. And this is going to be Thursday into Friday. Alright, here's a shot of one of the trees that the high winds knocked down at my home in the sticks. It was a pretty tree, but them 60, 70 mile an hour winds tore it down. There you have it, y'all. Nobody give this video a thumbs up because the storm was awful, and I mean awful. But what I will say is I will see y'all on the next video, and everybody take care. And on top of that, if you in the line of this storm, don't let it dull you shine.